welcome back to my channel. It is Brooke, and in today's video I'm excited to share a cleaning video. So I'm going to be taking you along for my daily cleaning routine. And these are tasks that I like to do obviously every day. If I can't get to one, it's not the end of the world kind of thing. But for the most part, these are things that I try to do every day to keep my house clean and tidy. So I'll go throughout my whole day with you guys. My routine starts in the morning. So let's rewind and I'll show you what I like to get done in the morning. Also what I like to get done during work. Just a couple little things, and then we'll catch back up and I'll show you guys what I like to do after work and in the evening. So my daily cleaning routine starts right away in the morning before I even go downstairs. So once I am showered and ready for the day, I come back to the bedroom and make our bed. Such a simple task, but I feel like it just starts you off on the right foot and just like makes you feel accomplished so early in the morning. Obviously it's such a simple thing to do, but I feel like doing it it's just a good thing to do, you know? So first things first, make the bed, and then once I go downstairs, I like to start laundry right away. Today I was working on washing some of the bathroom rugs. Alright guys, so it's after work now. First thing I'm going to do is tidy up the floors a little bit. Move stuff out of the way so I can turn on the robot vacuum. It's mostly just like dog toys that I have to pick up because Remington puts his toys all over the floor, which is fine. So I'll pick those up, get the robot vacuum going. And while that's going, I'm also going to vacuum because the robot vacuum that we have is for hard floors because most of our first floor is hard floors. So I bought one that's for hard floors, so it doesn't really pick up stuff on carpet. So we have one room in the first floor of our house that's carpet, and the dog likes to lay in there, so I need to vacuum in that. I also need to vacuum upstairs as well, including the stairs themselves. So I'm going to work on that, and also work on folding the laundry that we started earlier. Okay. So on a typical day, I would actually wait and fold the laundry until later in the evening, usually like right before I go to bed. I just bring all of the dry laundry upstairs and fold it like while I'm watching TV or YouTube or something. But since this is all I had to wash today was like mostly just towels and there's a t-shirt, I'm just gonna fold them and just get it out of the way so I don't have to worry about it later. So I like to roll most of our towels are hand towels and like washcloths at least. I don't roll our like actual, you know, bathroom towels, but little ones I like to roll. So that's what I'm working on now. How do you guys fold towels? I'm seriously out of breath, but when you're 30 weeks pregnant, I think that's kind of normal. I've been feeling pretty good. I've had a very healthy pregnancy, which I'm very grateful for. Obviously, I just had like the normal things. I was a little bit nauseous in the first trimester. I didn't really have much morning sickness. I had a couple of instances of it. Like, to me, morning sickness means you're actually throwing up. And that happened to me like 2 or 3 times. That was it. So, and then second trimester was a breeze, and then now I'm in my third. Obviously I'm getting like really big, and you're carrying more weight in the front, so my back has been hurting a little bit. Like nothing that I can't like tolerate, but I do have to do things a little bit slower, like work on things around the house, like cleaning stuff. I have to why can't words come out of my mouth right now? I have to like work on one task, take a break, and then go back to another task, whereas before I would just like keep, you know, going. So that's different. My feet hurt pretty much all the time too. They're just like swollen. It's a summer pregnancy, what do you expect kind of thing. So if you might have seen from some shots in this video, or you might see it further into this video, but I'm wearing my husband's Crocs and I have socks on because it's like the most comfortable thing to wear. I don't really enjoy being barefoot. Even before I was pregnant, I didn't really enjoy being barefoot. And none of my shoes fit me except for a pair of tennis shoes, and obviously it's easier to put on Crocs than tennis shoes. So you'll see me sporting that. So I got this done. I'm gonna tidy up the floor, as in like pick up the dog's toys and get the vacuum going. So this is from one day of not running the robot vacuum. I am so glad that we decided to get one. So I gotta pick up, these are his toys, little socks, this ball. Let's see. Yeah, hello, I'm picking up your toys. You wanna help me? As you can see, it's really not a surprise that his hair goes everywhere. You're not being a very big help. Okay. Toys. Where's your cow? Oh, it's in there. Okay. Put your toys away. So everything that I've showed you guys up to this point has been a daily cleaning task. And the next thing I always like to work on, typically before I work on making dinner for the night, is doing that particular day's weekly cleaning task. So I'm going to make an entire video about this, so stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to see that. But this particular day I needed to vacuum, so I break down the weekly cleaning tasks day by day. So each day of the week has its own task, and I feel like that makes it really manageable and I don't feel overwhelmed. So enjoy this footage of me vacuuming my stairs, and then I also have a couple clips of me vacuuming our hallway and our bedroom. So before I would start cooking dinner, I like to kind of tidy up the kitchen table. This is our tiny kitchen table. Last year when we moved in, I, for whatever reason, thought a high top table would be so cool, and now I am like so over it. I've been looking on Facebook Marketplace for a used like regular height dining room table that has like 6 chairs. The table doesn't necessarily have to come with the chairs. I could get the chairs by itself, but I'm just like so over having the high top table, so that's something I'm on the look for, something that I can maybe like DIY. So yes, just I thought I would tell you guys that, I guess. So I do clean up the table because I do work here. I am currently working from home full time, so this does get messy every day, so I do have to clean it off. And then I would also at this time make dinner, but tonight I didn't have to make dinner because earlier in the day I threw it in the crock pot. So I'm having what is this called? Creamy chicken chili. Super simple. You just dump all the ingredients in the crock pot and then shred the chicken and your dinner is ready. So I like to top mine with sour cream, cheese, and like corn chips. It is super yummy. I will leave the recipe down below if you guys are interested. So once we are finished eating, I obviously like to get the kitchen cleaned up for the night. So this includes clearing the table, wiping down the counters, doing the dishes, putting the leftovers away, You know, just making sure I have a clean kitchen before I sit down for the night. So that is what I'm going to work on next. So while you watch me do the dishes, I thought I would come on and introduce myself to any new viewers. So hello, my name is Brooke. I am 22 years old. I live in Wisconsin with my husband Bill. We've been married for just over a year now. We just celebrated our anniversary on July 13th. Super exciting. Even more exciting, we have a little baby on the way. I am currently, while I'm recording this, I'm 30 weeks pregnant. I'm due in the end of September, and we are just so excited to meet him. So yes, and on my channel I'm gonna post lots of organization, decluttering, cleaning, and like decorating videos, like lifestyle, you know, stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if anything of that sounds of interest to you, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Alrighty guys, so that concludes our daily cleaning routine, or my daily cleaning routine I should say. I would normally also have to tidy up the living room one more time before we go to bed, which I might still have to do, but I'm not gonna film it, just like if Remington gets his toys back out or anything like that. But for now it's pretty tidy, so we're just gonna leave it as is. And I want to be able to edit this video for you guys so I can get it up tomorrow morning. And then I mentioned earlier, but I typically wait and fold laundry right before bed, but I don't have any laundry to fold today. So I got all the time for editing, which is great. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you cleaning motivation if you want more of that. Cleaning motivation, organizational motivation, decluttering videos, just like real life motivation. I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. I keep it very real here on my channel. Just real life stuff. I don't like cleaning, I'll be completely honest, but I'm trying to make a better habit of it. And I'm actually also working on a weekly cleaning routine video. So I have like each day of the week I have a different like weekly task that I do, which has helped me a lot because otherwise I wasn't getting those things done. So I'm working on that. It's obviously going to take me a whole week to film, so that'll be up in probably a couple weeks, so stay tuned for that. If you don't want to miss out on it, obviously subscribe, turn notifications on. I think that's all I have to say for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in a new video soon. Bye!